I'm going to show you how to instantly get thousands of brand new videos that trigger your customers' minds, hearts, and emotions so you get more engagement, leads, and sales with SociFeed. So I'm logged into the dashboard and I'm just going to go up to where it says video and click to create a new campaign. Then I'm going to choose a video background style and I'm going to enter the tags for the kind of quotes that I want. And so I can choose love, and I'll choose lovers in this case as well. I'm going to choose the number of video quotes I want to create. I can choose the font, or I can have it randomized and choose random font. And then I'm going to choose the type of music I want. Then I'm just going to click create campaign. It's that simple. The software is going to go and create awesome style videos for me automatically. Then once I've created the videos, I can very easily go over here and preview any video I want by clicking on the icon. I can also download any of the videos to use them wherever that I want. Or I can post the video directly to Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn right through the dashboard. I just type in my message. I can add a link to send the traffic to wherever I want the traffic to go. And then I click post, and it will post it instantly to my social media accounts. And these videos will autoplay on Facebook and Twitter for maximum engagement, sharing, and clicking. You can see how fast and easy it is to create stunning, hyper-engaging viral videos that everyone wants to view, share, and click. So you get more leads and sales fast and 100% free with SociFeed.